Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC at 120 frames per second. First, you'll need to download an official emulator, such as GameLoop, which is specifically designed for this purpose. Once installed, open the emulator and navigate to its settings menu to begin optimization. This initial setup is crucial for achieving the smooth, high frame rate gameplay you desire. To achieve 120 frames per second, open Game Loop settings and change the device model to Samsung SMX 910. Next, locate the Android emulator and shortcut, right-click and add VM100 to its target path. This crucial step unlocks higher frame rates. Remember to allocate ample CPU cores and RAM within the emulator settings for stable and enhanced performance during your gameplay sessions. Within PUBG Mobile, navigate to graphics settings and select smooth quality with ultra extreme frame rate to enable 120 frames per second. Disabling anti-aliasing and reducing shadow quality will further boost your performance. Don't forget to customize your keybinds and adjust sensitivity settings for optimal aiming and movement, ensuring a comfortable and competitive PC gaming experience. For the best experience, always ensure your PC meets the recommended system requirements, including a capable CPU, GPU, and at least 8 GB of RAM. Regularly updating your graphics drivers is also vital for maintaining optimal performance and stability. If you encounter any sound delays, try switching between DirectX and OpenGL rendering modes in Game Loop settings. And hey, for other great deals and to stay refreshed during long gaming sessions, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.